Once upon a time, in this very tower, a brave little bird taught a lonely girl how to fly.
Fire! After the bird! Don't let it escape! Shoot it down! Yes, my lady!
Hang on, please hang on. I've got you. You're gonna be all right.
Bring them before me. They will learn the cost of defiance.
The time for secrecy ends. Observe their treachery.
Oh, Corusand! That is exactly what we need to...
Little one, be whole again. Let the light mend your wings and lift your heart.
I've got you.
Oh, Xavian. I thought I'd lost you.
Forgive me. I have failed you. No more. Now, you will face justice. To our success. Yes, to our undeniable triumph.
I told you we'd get through this.
Together. No. What was that? Look. I have waited for this moment. Prepare to be engulfed. Delfira, no! Stop! You won't get away with this. You won't get away with this. Just watch me, dear. No. Oh. Ah! Look out! Oh, caw! Caw!
Oh, Isra! My daughter, you've returned!
Yes, Father, I'm home!
The kingdom celebrates your return.
I am so sorry, my dear daughter. I failed you.
My queen! Oh, Xavian. Let the celebration begin.
Behold, the magic of this joyous union.
Together we usher in an era of peace and prosperity.
For the kingdom.
For the people.